Good morning, Kai Kai ko. Good morning. He just want mommy. Oh, what happened? What happened? Say good morning. Mama. Huh? Mommy's not done. Huh? Mommy's not done.
There's a toy. I want to play with that.
Hey. Today is Friday. Saturday pala. Oh, waving. Waving to people. Waving. I'm getting ready. So we can go. Tapos na ako. Nag-ready na ako pero di pa ako nakabihis. Mia's there kasi I need to do her hair. Today is ballet day. First day back to ballet for ate. Na-miss niya yung 2 weeks na session. So, pangatlong session na nila to sa ballet, guys. Na! And this one, I will bring to ballet today. First time mo. Pumunta ng ballet class ni ate. Hindi pa ako tapos. I need to get ready and I need ate to get ready. I need ate to... Ayan siya. Pag nilapag ko, ganyan siya. Pag iwan ko siya sa bed, ayan siya talaga. Umiiyak talaga siya. Apaka-clingy, guys. Oo. Sobrang clingy. Saan ka pupunta? Mommy is just here. I wanna go down. Yes. Sige, dyan ka. Pang-ukay ka dyan. Ate's here. What did you do? Where's your hair? Dali na. What about your son? You're gonna break the... Oh. Kai, please don't.
No, Kai, you're gonna fall.
Oh, you're gonna hit your head there. We going pa. Daddy. Kai. Gonna hit his head there, oh. You want a bow or you want the scrunchie? Which one? Scrunchie? Huh? Answer me.
What's a scrunchie?
This. Or a bow?
Scrunchie.
Okay. Hold
Why
on.
do we call it scrunchie?
Let's go. Si ate nandyan sa harap. Alik na. Si ate na ready. Let's go to the mall.
Yay!
I don't know where's your Tita Pretty. Tita Pretty is supposed to come with us, guys, but sabi niyo mauna na lang daw kami.
Mommy, I know where to the pretty one. I think she went to Tito JC. Mommy, I think to the pretty one to Tito JC, right?
No, Tita Pretty is supposed to come with us.
To the pretty one to Tito JC.
Okay. You have your seatbelt? because I'm going now. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. Chop, chop.
Okay, you can go. I'll just try to be quick. You
Back
can go now, quick.
waving. No, you have to have a seatbelt. Ring, ring on a bicycle. Beep, beep in the car. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, ready? Dapat sasama yung kapatid ko, guys, kasi sabi ko, pick up mo yung parcel mo.
Mommy, you
Sabay
want me
ka
to
sa
sing
akin.
the happy song for Kai?
Yeah.
Ring, ring
Pero,
on the bicycle.
hindi siya
Beep,
sumabay.
beep in the
Pero
car.
papunta daw siya ng mall.
Beep, beep,
Magbabas siya.
Helicopter. Mommy, look at Kai.
So cute.
Choo-choo train the air.
He's waving.
Way down the sky.
Hi! Lumuulan, guys.
The da-da-da, the everything go. Raphael. So
Asan na
the
tayo pupunta?
heart in the
Ay,
sky.
mali.
And deep in the ocean.
Saan ba?
The
Dito? Dito?
valleys and
Okay, dito na lang.
hills. The way we go. I'm singing it wrong. Let me try. Ring, ring on the bicycle. Beep, beep in the car. Pink, pink, the submarine. Helicopter. The choo-choo train. The airplane. The way down the slide. The da-da-da, the AP Tango. Raphael. Thunder on in the sky. And and through valleys and hills. The way we go. Quack, 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 quack. Arr, arr,
Dapat dito to sa kabila na.
Hindi ka na, Joy. Ayun ako, ari ka sa tumapos office.
Oh, kakapark ko lang.
Okay.
Mommy, where's the pretty?
Inside.
Sa inyo nag-park, pero butang, ay hindi.
Ha? Ano? Tignan mo. May nakita na kami, guys. Dito na kami, best and less. Go sit down there at the front. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya stay B. Yung hat. 6 to 12 months. Yeah, 6 to 12 months is better. Cute, oh. Oh, no. Cute. Mia, you wanna be matchy-matchy with mom? This is cute. You wanna be matchy-matchy with mommy?
Mommy,
It's cute. Yes, babe.
can I watch on your phone for a little bit?
No, I'm using it right now. I'm vlogging.
Mommy, after you're done, can I watch on your phone for a little bit? Mommy,
Let me
after
see.
you're done, can you watch on your phone for a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Machi Machi. Nice. Oh, Machi Machi kami ni Mia. Kaya lang, ang dami ko na guys. Ang dami na din ni Mia. But it's really nice. Ay! Cute. Dito tayo muna sa mga ladies. Okay. Are you biting that? Parang yung sa Zara. Ang cute ng pink. I like this. Cute din ito. Cute yan. Ganito, may napili na siya guys, oh.
Mommy, come.
Ang cute!
Come, Mommy.
Ah. Ang cute ng mga terno nila. My gosh. They have the cutest
Here.
ternos. Oh, there. Siya yung nakapili niyan.
Number 12.
Yeah? Sabi ko sa kanya, pag kumuha ka ng damit kay Kai, size 12 to 18.
Mommy, can I find some things for Kai?
Yeah, show me.
I'll find some.
Ang cute. Ang cute na to.
Mommy,
Yes, babe.
you know, some of them are getting smaller on Kai because
Guess
guess what?
what?
He's getting so big. He's getting 9 months, 10 months, 11 months, 12 months. Then he's gonna be 1.
Yeah, I like this. So
So
cute.
Kai's getting bigger. So I'll get him bigger shirts, okay?
Ato, cute din to.
Mommy, come here.
Yes. That's cute. Yeah. Cute naman na to.
Yes, babe.
Okay to for summer.
Mommy, can we buy this?
Ano magandang kulay? Ang ganda ng mga
Mommy, can we buy
shorts.
these?
Not that one, babe. I don't like that one. Hala, Kai. Ang cute, Kai. Ang cute. Cute ng mga polo.
Mommy, look.
That's cute too.
That's the same
Yeah,
as
but Kai-
Daddy. That's the same as Daddy. He
Yeah.
has that too.
Yeah.
That we can't buy. Mommy, we're only buying what we can buy. Now we're fishing for me.
That's really nice.
Mommy, look at this cap. It might be.
I wanna get this. This is so cute. Oh, little man! You are a little man.
Can we buy it?
Where'd you get that?
I got it from.
Oh, they have
right
other
here.
color, babe. Look,
Mommy.
they have black.
Mommy, but look, I got it from here.
Oh, this is a different one.
Yeah, but I
Rookie.
got it from here, Mommy.
Okay.
Should we buy it? It looks very nice for Kai.
Yeah,
Please buy it. I'll put on Kai for the whole frame.
that's really cute. Nabubutawan siya. Dito kami sa Chinese restaurant, guys. Canton Bay. Waiting for our order. Ah. Tulog pa din siya, guys. No, the other side, babe. Tulog pa din siya, pero parang magigising na to pag na-transfer sa car.
Paano ko? Mas ito yung kinatawag. Half.
It's like it's so ticklish. So ticklish. But
Still missing one.
I'm gonna put him there. Oh no! It's okay. 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 It's Ah! You wanna go out of your playpen lang, ha? Ha? You wanna go out of the playpen lang? Silly boy. Nagbihis ako guys kasi nainitan si mami. Ang init sa room. Kinatry ko patulugin to pero hindi siya natulog. Tingnan nyo. Ang ate kasi, ang ingay-ingay ng ate. Nagbihis yung ate dito sa kwarto. Kapag pinapadede ko si Kai. So ayun, wala na. Na-stop na yung kanyang antok. So ito yung pajama ko. Galing to Vietnam. Ang cute. Hindi ko ata ito natin. Hey! Nasa iyo yung pintas ni ate. Masira yan. Lagot ka. So mag-haul tayo. This is from Best and Less. Madami akong nabili dun guys. Na pang summer. Ang cute ng mga pang summer nila. Huwag ka dyan. 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 Where's your book? Where's my puppy? Here. Show people. Where's my puppy? Paborito niya to. Where's my puppy? Show people. Where's my puppy? Okay. Meron na si Kai outfit guys. Pang Halloween, pang Christmas, pang baptism niya. Meron na siyang outfit. Ito, ang cute-cute. So, pumpkin siya. Meron siyang hat na kasama. Are you gonna be pumpkin? Are you gonna be a pumpkin? A cutie pumpkin? Tingnan niyo, cute-cute! Halloween na! Halloween na! Halloween na! Kaya yun lang, hindi ito magsistay sa ulo niya. Kinukuha niya. Look, Halloween! Yay! Hala ka cute, oy! Ka-cute ba na, oy? Hala, pag mo kagatin yan, may ipin ka na. Masira mo yan. You wanna do a haul as well. So, meron tayong romper. Ang cute lang. Ayan. O, diba? Pinakuha. Puro kay Kaito. Konti lang yung kay Mia. So, we have shorts here. Ayan. Mas gusto ko yung mga shorts na to kaysa dun sa cotton na nakuha ko, guys. From Big W. So, I got this. I think I have two different colors. We have the brown and parang gray yung isa. Ay, ito yung isa. Ay, hindi yan. Hala, kinukuha kayo ng aking anak. No lang. No lang. Put it back lang. Hay, hoy. Gusto mo din, gusto mo din mag-vlog. Ha? Pababa na kayo. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Wow. That's the alarm. That's the alarm lang. No. Wag mo kunin. Dito ka, gusto mo mag-read ng book ka, Nay? Di ba marami tayong pa-advertise. Where's my puppy? Where's the puppy? Ito pala, may turno to, guys. So, this is not the one. Yung katulad na to. Pero may isa tayo niyan. So, we have this turno. Napaka-cute. So, lahat ng kinuha ko mostly is size 1. Except for the shorts. Yung shorts is 6 to 12 months yung kinuha ko. Kasi last time yung binili ko sa BW is size 1 na shorts. And, kasya naman yung garter. Hindi. Depende talaga sa shorts, guys. Kasi may binili din akong size 2 nakasya sa kanya. Kaya lang, malaki. Yung tingnan, malaki tingnan. Pero kasya sa kanya yung waist. Pero may isang short doon na parang light brown na maluwag. So, sabi ko, mas maganda yung parang fitted tingnan. Para hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Kasyang-kasya lang. So, kinuha ko sa size na to is 6 to 12 months. Ayan. And then, Yeah, ito yung isang kulay. Parang light blue. Ayan. Mura lang din sa Best and Less. Tapos, meron tayong pa-outfit sa baptism ni Kai. So, sa Pilipinas siya sa Pilipinas yung binyag niya, guys. So, I've got his outfit. Yung ganito lang ba? Simple lang. Where's my ano? So, ano siya? Parang ganito. So, meron siyang ganyan. Tapos, white yung loob, which is this. And bow. Meron siyang bow na brown. Ayan. So, ang cute lang. That's it. Tapos, ito, ang cute. So, maganda to for summer talaga, oh. Nauuso kasi yung mga ganito ngayon. Yung mga jersey. So, I got him this Rookie 0.5. Ang cute. Tapos meron din. Si Mia kumuha nito actually, guys. So, si Mia nakakuha nito. Ang galing niya pumili. As in. So, we have freshman. 01. Ito parang ano siya. Ramper. Bodysuit. Ah! Here. Dada daddy. And meron din tayong terno. This is so cute. Ito yung kulay na kinuha ko. Meron silang ibang kulay na ito. I got this. Maganda yung kulay na yan. Ano ang gusto? Hello, guys! Gusto talaga kayo. Hello, guys! So, ito yung Christmas outfit ni Kai. My first Christmas. Ang cute. Meron din siyang pabini na ganap. Reindeer. Ang cute, guys. Tapos ito dalawang terno for Ate Mia. Yan, pag nag-beach. Size 4 ba to? Parang ano, maluwag, guys. Di ko kasi natinay. Kulit kasi ni Mia. So, size 5 yung una kong tinay sa kanya. So, sabi ko, baka size 4 siya. So, this is size 4 shorts. Tapos, size 5 yung top. Kasi magkaiba yung price. Size 5 yung top. Tapos, this one is size 6. Ayan. Wala nang size 6 nito. Size 7 na. So, yung size 7 is parang super haba. Sabi ko, size 5 looks okay. Tapos, ito looks okay din. Ayan. Parang ano lang sila. Same lang sila ng haba ng size 6. Tapos, ito yung short. Ayan. Sana kasya to kay Ate Mia. Parang maluwag yung isa. Yeah, parang malaki yung isa. Size 4. Size 4 din naman to. Pero parang malaki. Yeah. And that's it. So, that's it for the kids. Ito lang binili ko. Meron silang mga ganito dun, guys. And, yeah. Gustuhan ko siya. Parang biker shorts. Ano ba tawag dito? That's okay. Dada. Si kay dada ng dada. Yeah, we can go wash this. Ang grabe, magha-Halloween na soon. Magha-Halloween na soon, Kai. Kasya ba sa'yo to? Ay, yung suot ni Kai pala ngayon na terno. Bili ko din yan. Tinamad na ako pumunta sa taas kanina. So, sabi ko, meron ako dito. Ito na lang suotin mo. Kasi after niya kumain, guys, sobrang, dumi ng damit. Hindi ko kasi nilagyan ng, yung pang cover. So, yeah, yung suot niya na bear. Ang cute. Na terno. Ayan, kasyang-kasya sa kanya. Size 1 din yan. Busy siya sa kanyang coat. Diba? Ayaw niya pa matulog eh. Sige, dyan ka. Hala, inapakan ang aking laptop. Si Ate Mia nasa baba. Busy siya doon. Naglalaro siya ng nira-ride niya yung bike niya. Is Ate Mia riding her bike? She's so good at riding her bike without a guide. Yeah, that's right. I like your outfit. So cute. the vlog na. Say hello, people lang. I'm awake lang. Kanina pa ako natutulog, mga people. Since 6 pa, no? Ngayon na siya nagising, guys. Cute-cute nila kanina ni Mia. No, kasi bumaba ako. Sabi ko kay Mia, nanonood siya ng TV. Sabi ko, watch Kai ha. Tapos nung gumalaw-galaw siya, pinakpat niya si Kai. Tapos natulog ulit. Hanggang until now, natulog na siya. Natulog din ng ate. Tulog din ng ate. So, kumakain na kami ng dinner. And nagising siya. Say hello! Hello! I'm awake!